Hello everyone. In this video on rational numbers, we will solve a few practice sums on equivalent rational numbers or the standard form and positive and negative rational numbers. Let's do the first one. Fill in the boxes. 5 upon 4. Now if you see here, the 4 is getting converted into 16. So 4 4s are 16. So 5 4s are 20. Now here 25 upon the box. 5 5s are 25. So 4 5s are 20. 5 3s are 15. So 4 3s are 12. So this is same as the equivalent fractions what we had done earlier. Let's do the next one. Now here minus 3 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. So minus 3 3s are minus 9. Minus 3 minus 12. So minus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 4 is minus 12. Because 1 minus 1 plus gives us 1 minus here. So plus 4. So 7 multiplied by plus 4 is 28. Now minus 3 and the answer is 15 plus 15. So the multiplier, the second multiplier also has to be a negative number. So minus 3 into minus 5 is plus 15. So you just remember this, it is minus 3 into minus 5. How do we do multiplication? We forget the signs and do the multiplication of the weights. That is equal to 15. And then we look at the signs. Both negative, same signs. Same means answer is positive, plus 15. So the multiply here is minus 5. So we have to multiply 7 also by minus 5. 7 minus 5. Here 7 into 5, 35. 1 positive, 1 negative. Different means sign is minus. So here it is minus 35. So if you see, we have used the fraction method for finding the equivalent, as well as we have used the integers method to know the sign of the number. Let's do the next one. Is 5 a positive rational number? So if you remember, 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. Is it in form P upon Q? Yes, it is in form P upon Q. Are both P and Q, which is 5 and 1, integers? Yes, both 5 and 1 are integers. And is Q not equal to 0? Yes. So it is a rational number. Now is it a positive rational number? We see that both P and Q both have positive sign. And yes, it is a positive rational number. Now here, is minus 8 a negative rational number? We again know minus 8 can be written as minus 8 upon 1. Is it in P upon Q form? Yes, it is in P upon Q form. Is P and Q are both integers? Yes, minus 8 and 1 are both integers. Is Q not equal to 0? Yes, 1 is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. And we also see that either the numerator or denominator should be negative. Only one of them should be negative so that it is a negative rational number. And here we see only the numerator is negative. And hence, yes, it is a negative rational number. Let's do the next one. Which of these are negative rational numbers? Let's take the first one. 5 upon 6. It is a rational number and only one of the numerator or denominator should have negative sign. Yes, only denominator has a negative sign. Hence, negative rational numbers, 5 upon 6 is a negative rational number. Minus 12 upon 5. Again we see it is P upon Q, Q not equal to 0, and only numerator has negative sign. One of them only. So yes, it is a negative rational number. Here we see minus 13, minus 12. Both of them have negative sign. both numerator and denominator has negative sign. So it doesn't satisfy our criteria. We want only one of them to have negative sign. Because both of them have negative sign, this is not a negative rational number. 0 upon minus 5. We see only one of them has negative sign. But it is 0 upon minus 5. And 0 upon any number is equal to 0. And 0 is neither a positive nor a negative rational number. So this is not a negative rational number. 6 upon 5. We don't see any negative sign anywhere. Both are positive numbers. So this is not a negative rational number. So we only have these two negative rational numbers here. Let's do the next one. Find the standard form of following. Minus 12 upon 26. First, let's find the lowest form. For that, we need to divide these numerator and denominator with the common factors. So if I do here, 2 is a common factor. I can see 13 is a prime number, so no more common factors. So we have reached the lowest form. Now, for standard form, the denominator should not be negative. And we see the denominator is not negative here. So this is our standard form. Let's take the second one. Let's find common factor. I see 5 as a common factor. So I'll divide that with 5. And I get 5 3s are 15, 5 7. So minus 7. 3 upon minus 7. Now 3 and 7 both are prime. So we have reached the lowest level. But we see that negative sign is there in the denominator. And we need to move this to up. So what we do? We multiply this with minus 1. And what we get is minus 3 upon 7. And that's our standard form. Minus 21 upon minus 49. I see 7 as a common factor. But I see that there is negative sign in both numerator and denominator. So minus 7 as a common factor. When we do division of two negative numbers, first we divide the weights. So the weight is 3 here. Now we see this is negative sign, this is negative, both negative, same. And when we have same signs in dividend and divisor, the result sign is plus. So it is plus 3 and same way it is plus 7. 3 upon 7 is the standard form.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.